Dear students of Standard 11, I am Tasmina Yasmin Hashi, welcoming you to the class of English second paper. In this class, we are going to learn how to write a report. Actually, this is the item number 14 of English second paper and it carries 8 marks. So let's see what is report writing. If you go through a newspaper, you may see reports like this. Look, here it is written, Modi to join Bangabandhu birth centenary celebration. Staff correspondent. You may also see BSF returns two fishermen after a day. Staff correspondent Rajshahi. Or like this, a sanctuary for Bangladeshis in heart of Mali. Muhammad Al Masum Mullah back from Mali. So, I think you have already noticed that the subject matter of the reports varied. It may describe an incident or event or occasions, ceremonies, festivals, etc. a lot. So now we'll learn how to write this type of report. While writing report, you should remember some points. What are those? First one, you have to collect authentic information. That means the incident or event you have seen yourself or the sources from where you are collecting the information that should be reliable. So after collecting the information, you have to arrange those and you have to maintain a sequence. Suppose you are writing a report about a prize giving ceremony. So at the beginning you cannot write that the president or the guest is distributing prizes. At first you have to write how the occasion started, then what are the incident takes place, then the prize giving ceremony comes. So sequence is very important here. Then you have to use easy and appropriate language. That means this language should be understood by all classes of people. And you have to use past tense while writing because the incident has already occurred or happened. Then you should write in indirect speech and use passive voice. And the most important thing is you have to avoid using first person, that is I, me, we, etc. because report is not personal thing. Then there will be two para or sections in the report. And of course word limitation 120 to 150 words. Now we will see the format of the report. In the format, there are four parts. First one is headline, then name of the reporter or designation with place and date. Third one, introduction. Fourth, body with conclusion. You may see this type of reports in your Advanced Learner book. While writing headline, you have to consider some points. Let's see what are those. Headline. Headline should be attractive because seeing or reading the headline, readers will be curious to know what is written in this report. And headlines should not be written in full sentence. Another thing you should remember that first letter of each word of the headline will be in capital letter except article, preposition, conjunction, etc. If you see example, it will be clear to you. Look, I have written two headlines here. Accident takes place in Lakshmipur or Lakhipur. Here the first letter is capital except the preposition. And reckless driving costs lives. I have written two headlines because there are two types of headlines. One is general or direct and another is mysterious or indirect. See the first headline, accident takes place in Lakshmipur. Here, this headline directly tells us what has happened in the Lakshmipur area. But the second headline is somewhat mysterious. It is not telling us directly and where does the accident take place. So you may use any types of headline. Then comes you can use acronym. Acronym means short forms of words or phrases, and that short forms become a word itself, such as we can say National Aeronautics and Space Administration. In short form, we call it NASA. We don't call it NASA. We call it NASA, and NASA becomes a word itself. So this type of acronym you can use in the headline. Look, PM visited flood hit areas. PM, Prime Minister. We use short form here. Then in the headline, we can use small and attractive synonymous words such as 4 killed in road crash. Instead of accident, I use the word crash. I think it is attractive much. Then comes number 2. Name of the reporter, place and date. It might be like this: staff reporter, Pabna, 12 January 2021. Or like this: staff correspondent, Pabna and date. Or in the question, if any name is given, you can write like this: Shumon, Pabna and date. Here comes number 3, introduction. Introduction means summary of the report, and it should be in 2 or 3 sentences. Actually, you have to give here answer of some WH. What are those? That means what happened, where or when happened, or who are engaged in that incident, etc. Then comes body. You have to describe the headline here. What you have written in the headline, you have to describe that thing, that incident. That means why or how that thing happened. And at the end, you have to summarize the event with a positive note. Now let's see how to write a report in your copy. First, I have written the headline: Reckless driving costs lives. Look, the first letter of the words are in capital. Then comes staff reporter, Pabna, date. Place and date I have given, and it's the introduction. 4 people, including a woman and a child, were killed and 3 more are seriously injured in a head-on collision between a truck and a microbus near Lakshmipur bus stand of Sadar Upazila in Kustia on Wednesday. So, what happened, where happened, when happened, who are engaged, all the WH answers are given here. Now here comes the body. Here it is written how this accident has taken place and what are the steps have been taken by the authority. These are written here, described here properly. So in your exam, if question comes like this, you have to write down the answer following this format. Okay, dear students, and in your syllabus, the reports are selected. You have to learn following your advanced learner book. Today up to this. Thank you.